Guys, Daddy Travels and Mr. Wingbin is now, we are here in the airport of Ozami City. So let's welcome to Daddy Travels.
Daddy travels, say we're on a plane, gonna take off today. And the now's calling, so what do you say? Mountains, beaches, and the seas.
So abangan guys ang aming collaboration ni Daddy Travels. So i-welcome natin si Daddy Travels dito sa Pilipinas. And finally, Daddy Travels is here at airport Ozami City. Ayan guys, no? So abangan natin ang paglabas ni Daddy Travels. Ayan, Cebu Pacific yung sinakyan ni Daddy Travels guys. Ayan. So dyan siya banda lalabas. Ayan. Ayan, nilipad na din ang isang aeroplano guys. Oh. Ayan, marami pa ng pasahero guys. Oh. Mayroon ding daanan doon sa kabila guys. So siguro nandun si Daddy Travels sa kabila. Walang stair or hagdan. Ayan. Marami pang mga pasahero lumabas. Oh. So ayan. Hindi na tayo magtagal dito guys para masaksihan na natin ang ating friend na si Daddy Travels ay salubungin na natin guys sa loob ng aeroplano, sa loob ng airport.
This is the moment been waiting for, to finally you'll be mine. I'll promise to Allah.
Guys, Daddy Travels and Mr. Wingbin is now, we are here in the airport of Ozami City. So let's welcome to Daddy Travels. So guys, finally guys no, ang amigo nga mga si Daddy Travels, finally naabot agad din sa ato ang lungsod sa Clarin. Huh?
Like our council.
By the way bro, what is your
Council.
message?
Hello everyone in Clarin. I'm so glad to be here to witness your hometown. It's very nice here, beautiful people and very respectful people, and I'm glad to be here with Mr. Wingbean. Very nice. Yeah. Oh.
Can you say something about the Soman?
Okay, I never tried this suman, but I'm going to try today. I think it's sticky rice inside banana leaf. So yeah, let's try it.
Yeah. Okay, bro. Yeah.
You guys say your name, please.
Babara ko si auntie guys.
Rainwater, oh.
Come on, let's go.
There's one rule. Watch everything like
Yeah, that's right. I'll stand in.
Hey, boy!
Oh, stand.
Hi, welcome to 5 hours.
Yes guys, bisitahan na to diri guys sa tanang okasyon. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you for
coming.
watching.
For coming.
Beautiful Claret.
Yeah.
MWB's town.